Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix ProForm Treadmill not turning on. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering why your ProForm Treadmill here is not turning on. Well, in this case, there's a few things that you need to do and you need to understand here. So first that you could do here is you need to check your power connection. So you want to make sure or ensure that the treadmill's power cord is securely plugged into an outlet. So unplug the treadmill, then plug it back in and see if it actually powers on. Now, if that doesn't work, unplug the treadmill and test the outlet by plugging in a small appliance. Now, if the appliance works, the issue is with your treadmill. Now, if the appliance doesn't work, the problem lies with your outlet, so which may need to be replaced or you need to address. So also you might want to inspect your circuit breaker if the issue itself is from your plug or your in this case the actual plug or outlet. So in this case see the breaker. So if it's stripped, it means that it's not going to provide any power. So in this case, wait for 5 minutes before resetting it. Then in this case, you can go and plug your treadmill again and see if that works. Now, also another thing that you need to verify here is you need to make sure or ensure that your safety key is fully inserted. So safety keys are usually in the very center here. It actually prevents you from injuring yourself. Just in case, like if you trip or something happens, it actually removes or stops the treadmill here. So without it, it actually won't power your treadmill here. So in this case, go ahead and make sure that you've plugged it properly or you already have it in this position here. So usually it's going to be at the very center here. Again, make sure it's properly plugged in or you have a safety key on it. So yeah, so in this case, that are the things that you can do here to basically solve this issue. But if none of those work, well, the best next thing that you can do here is to reach out to their support. So you can go to proformfitness.com here. It will redirect you to the country website for ProForm. But usually at the very bottom, you have the contact us section, and you can go to service and spare parts here and call the following numbers, or in this case, access one of the links here. But I just recommend you to call the following numbers to get assistance on getting this fixed, because most likely it's a lot deeper, or the problem itself is a lot deeper, so you need assistance for this one. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.